Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So from here, we are going to learn in the Google Messages Help Center article and we will find how we can recover our messages. And first, you will need just to learn that deleted messages are not recoverable. That means if you deleted a message, it will be permanently deleted. Only in one case, if it was your Google Messages, your default messaging app. That means if you've been using some other app or other messaging app, and then you have installed your Google Messages as a secondary app or as another app, you will be able to recover your message because they will be still stored on your conversation or on your device. Otherwise, if you are using your Google Messages app as your default messaging app, your deleted conversation will also be deleted from your device. Thus, you will delete the conversation or message and it will be not recovered and that's the action is permanent. That means if you went to a conversation and you delete it using this delete action, you won't be able to recover it. Otherwise, if it has been only archived, you will be able to undo the archiving and then go to your archive section, and from there you will be able to go and unarchive your messages on the Google Messages app. And if you have your message that has been still on your device, since it is not your second app, you will be able to find them here if you refresh the app or if you have synchronized your Google Messages app within the other application or the default messaging app that you are using on your mobile. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.